Hello friends. So if you want to make a very good thumbnail for a YouTube, you need to have a background removal application. Okay, so you need basically to remove all the background which is uh, other than yourself itself. So basically you need to download the application which I will tell you. So you need to go to the Play Store now, and I will just type automatic background eraser. So once I will type this, you can see there is an application which is change background of photos. So this application is very useful and which will give you the automatic background erase option. So you need not to select anything. It will directly you can just select the photos and it will directly remove the background for you. It is very easy, and I have already tried with multiple photos and it works very well. Even though if you have, like, let's say in the black color as an hair, and the some other things which is there as a part of background which is a black, still it works very fine, I can say. So it is very useful application, and once you will um, do the get the background and transparent image, you can use it on top of the other image to create the YouTube thumbnail. So in this video I will just show you how to remove the background, and probably I will make one more video where I will show you how to apply that image to the other image to make the YouTube thumbnail. For that you can use the Pixel Lab or the Canva application. However, I will just go to removing the background now. So I will open this change background of photos application, and once we'll open that, I already extracted, you can see some of the images which is already there. Okay, so I will now select one more image for you where I will show you how to do that. Okay, so I am now in this. So okay, so I will just select this only. So here the photo is there and background is also there. So I need to just move this. So I will just go to the next, and once I will do that, it will do the processing and you will get your image. So it is a finally version, like it is very useful now, and you can paste this on top of any of the other images. Okay, so you to download this, you have this download icon on below line, and however you have some option where you want to put this photo to some of the other images as well. So you can see this, so it will place the photo over there. Okay, so it is very useful, and if you don't want, then just select the none. Okay, and it is not required, then you can just click on the download icon and your images will be stored into the gallery. So this is very simple process by which you can do this. I hope you like this, and I will come up with the new video where I will show you how to use this image.